right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about keyboard shortcuts. So if I click on Learn Keyboard Shortcuts, if you only remember one keyboard shortcut, make it Command-Shift-P, and that's on the Mac. On the PC, it would be Control-Shift-P. This keystroke toggles the command palette, which lists every Atom command. It's a good way to learn more shortcuts. Yes, you can try it now. If you want to use these guides, again, use the command palette, Command-Shift-P, and search for Welcome. So let's do that. I'm going to do Command-Shift-P because I'm on a Mac. If you're on PC, do Command, instead of Command, do Control, Shift, and then P, and then let's type in Welcome. Okay, and if I click Return, then we're going to get the Welcome page, okay, which is this right here, and the Welcome Guide, which is what we're covering for some of the features for Atom. So that's how you get into the keyboard shortcuts and learn more. So again, if we do Command-Shift-P, you can see right here, if I just arrow down, add a project folder, Shift-Command-O, application hide, Command-H, okay, application hide other applications, option, Command-H, okay, minimize, Command-M, etc., okay. Now, if you're on PC, again, it's going to show you for your keyboard, which would be Control-M for this example. And instead of Option for this one, it would probably be Alt, okay? So there you go. It works on both operating systems. So that's how you can learn keyboard shortcuts. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.